VULCAN Plastics was established in October 1991 with the goal of producing polycarbonate sheets of the highest quality possible. With steady progress, we obtained ISO 9001 certification in the year 2008. VULCAN Plastics goes by three main principles: quality, customer service, and innovation. VULCAN Plastics has a total of 5 extrusion lines, which includes 2 for corrugated sheets and 3 for solid sheets, and a total capacity of 10,000 tons per year. Our machines are imported from Mitsubishi Hitachi Zosen Japan, Omipa Italy, and Breyer Germany. They are powered by Siemens motors, use T-die feed blocks from the industry-leading company EDI, Extrusion Dies Industries, and computer-controlled by the also industry-leading Dynasco. The 5 extrusion lines include: 1 optical-grade solid sheet extrusion line, capable of producing sheets ranging from 2 mm to 15 mm thick. 2 1 corrugated sheet co-extrusion line. 3 1 solid embossed sheet extrusion line. 4 1 multifunctional solid and corrugated sheet co-extrusion line. 5 1 solid sheet co-extrusion line for industrial grade sheets. VULCAN polycarbonate sheets are produced with the highest standard available in the industry. We are the first polycarbonate manufacturer in Asia to incorporate clean rooms for all of our extrusion lines. Our latest addition is the Breyer solid flat sheet machine, installed in a Class 5000 clean room. Our optical-grade solid sheet extrusion machine is dedicated to producing polycarbonate solid sheets. This machine is the creation of 2 famous Japanese companies, Mitsubishi and Hitachi Zosen. The total length of the extrusion line is approximately 100 meters, which is currently the largest polycarbonate solid sheet machine in Asia. Imported directly from Japan and fully enclosed in a clean room, the system consists of an automatic material feed conveyor system, combined with dehumidifying functions, an automated optical inspection system, and a vacuum suction cup system to assist the final conveyor belting process. Specially designed to produce thick polycarbonate sheets, this machine produces triple the power compared with standard extrusion machinery. The result of all this power output is a smooth and even surface on even the thickest sheet. The thickness of our optical-grade solid sheets ranges from 2 mm to 15 mm, and the maximum width 2,100 mm. Our optical-grade corrugated sheet co-extrusion machine is dedicated to producing both angular and circular corrugated sheets. The machine is powered by Siemens motors, and 2 separate automated material feed systems are used, one for the polycarbonate resin and the other for the UV. Precise material flow calculation of Dynasco computers and the T-die feed blocks ensures that the polycarbonate and UV are co-extruded flawlessly into polycarbonate sheets. The thickness of the corrugated sheets ranges from 0.8 mm to 2 mm, and the maximum width 920 mm. Our solid embossed sheet extrusion line is dedicated to producing industrial and dust-free solid sheets. The thickness of the solid sheets ranges from 1.8 mm to 6 mm, and the maximum width 1,800 mm. Our multifunctional solid and corrugated sheet co-extrusion line is capable of producing optical-grade angular, circular, and extra-thin sheets. This machine is categorized in the same class of the likes of the renowned Italian brand, Omipa. The thickness of the corrugated sheets ranges from 0.7 mm to 2.0 mm, and the maximum width 1,200 mm. The Breyer solid and embossed extrusion machine is the latest addition to our production line. Imported from Breyer, Germany, this machine is capable of producing double-sided high-density UV-coated co-extruded sheets. The sheets are extremely versatile and weather-resistant compared with single-sided UV-coated or UV-included sheets. All manufacturing processes are done in a Class 5000 clean room and controlled precisely by microcomputers and programmable logic controllers. The thickness of the corrugated sheets ranges from 2 mm to 12 mm, and the maximum width 1,950 mm. All of the polycarbonate sheets we produce use 100% imported raw materials from Bayer and GE. For the UV coating, we use Bayer optical grade UV 400 master batch, processed by Clariant. With the help of optical grade UV 400 co-extruded coating, our polycarbonate sheets last longer, 10 years without discoloration and breakage, have better weather resistance properties, and most of all, protect humans and living organisms from harmful ultraviolet rays. Aside from standard polycarbonate production, we are constantly working with renowned companies worldwide, developing and testing new coatings and pigments for special purposes or environments. Our 3,000 square meter warehouse was built to avoid long lead time and maximize service speed and quality. In spite of the low flammability and low hazard levels of polycarbonate, we still take safety very seriously and follow the ISO 9001 rules and principles to the fullest. Everything from machinery, raw materials, stock, and even waste are organized in an orderly fashion, which enables us to meet customer demands with ease. Throughout the past 20 years, from the employer to the employees, we devoted ourselves to manufacturing the best of polycarbonate sheets. Following market trends closely and constantly in pursuit of quality and perfection, we continue to develop high-class, multifunctional polycarbonate sheets to satisfy customer expectations. In Taiwan, VULCAN Plastics has established a strong foothold in the polycarbonate sheet manufacturing industry and built a solid reputation in the hearts of the consumers. We are now in pursuit of a higher goal and aim to expand our sales throughout the globe.